Hi everyone, welcome to Codetav Management. So today we will discuss today's GFG POTD, which is a find element occurring once when all their other elements are thrice. Okay, so our first example is like the number is 4 and here the array elements are 1, 10, 1, 1. So you can see the numbers of 1 is 3 and the count of 10 is 1. So output is 10 as 10 occurs once. Here also same. So for this, you can write down your approach as well. And here I will define my approach. So these are two inputs which I have taken here. So one approach is easy approach, like you can take the hash map means and there you can count the frequency of each element. So you can do that way. So like this is one map, suppose. So first element is 1. So when the 1 is there, you will take the count as 1. And again, after that, when 10 is come, so then you will take the count as 1. Again, when 1 is coming, so you will increment that to 2. And again, when 1 will come, then again, it will count to 3. So you will see that the frequency of elements which count is 3. So you can remove that elements and other elements you can return for that. So in this way, 10 will be the output. So there as well, your means time and space complexity are order f order of n means O of n. But I will show you the another approach as well, which may be better than this. Means the approach is good. So what you can take, like I'm just removing that one. Right? So what you can take, like you can take a set, like you can use the hash set, right? So there you can take the unique elements. So here the unique elements are unique elements are like 1 and 10, right? So then what you can do, you can do the sum of these unique elements and then you can multiply it by 3. Okay. So what is the sum of these unique elements? So this is your 11. And when you will multiply this with the 3, then it will become 33. And also you can take the array sum. So what is the array sum here? So 10 plus 3, this is your 30. This is the array sum and this is the thrice of the sum of unique elements. So after that, what you can do, so you can do difference between these two and divide it by 2. And you will get this unique elements as 10, right? So in the same way here as well, here you can take the unique elements. So what are the unique elements here? So 3, 2, 1, 34, all have been taken. So what is the sum of these unique elements? 34, 5, 37, and 40. And what is the sum of the whole elements? So this is 40, then 34, 35, 37, 39, 40, and 40 plus 34 is 74. So 40 plus 74 total is the array sum, means 114, right? So what you will do? So you will do like multiply the sum of unique elements into 3, which is 120, and uh, subtract the sum of the array elements. So this is 6 and divided by 2, then it is 3. So you can see that 3 is the unique element, right? So I think this approach is more numerical approach or easy approach. So here also means when you will take the first loop, so to iterate the entire array of the length is n. So and insert the each element into the hash set. So for that case, average time complexity of that loop will be order of n. And for the second, or means when you will do the means when you will iterate through the unique elements in the hash set, then also order of n. And when you will do means when you will iterate through the entire array of the elements, then also time complexity will be order of n. So time complexity will be order of n. But when you will come for the space complexity, so the space complexity is basically determined by the hash set, right? So that means when you will take the unique elements, so for that you will take the hash set, right? So for that, uh, when all the elements, I mean space complexity, when all the elements will be unique. So for that case, the size would be the order of n, okay, big of n. And other than the hash set, means when we'll do the set sum, means the unique element sum and the array sum. Okay, this is the array sum. This is the unique element sum. So for that cases, the complexity is constant, as the size of the additional variables, like this array sum or set sum, will not depend on the input size, right? So the space complexity will be order of n for the worst case, right? So this is the approach. So I will show you how to do that. So here our method is single element array is being passed, and the size of the array is being passed here. So then we will take the set of integer unique elements equals to new as set, right? Then to I will iterate the whole array. We'll do the set sum. So for that, I'm taking the initial value as 0, and then we'll iterate the unique elements. So for int I unique elements. So we'll do the set sum now, right? So then we will take the variable array sum as well. So we have initialized that one, and then we will traverse as well. right? So these three iterations done, then we will just return what we have said. So we'll return the thrice of set sum minus array sum, right? And we will divide it by 2. Okay. So let's run it. Yeah. So let's submit it. So yeah, it's working. So if you have any other question, then you can comment down. Thank you. And do like, share, subscribe.